Brought to you by JEGS.
All right, so now it's time we're going to put the converter into the transmission. I've already pre-filled the converter with automatic transmission fluid. It's very important to make sure this engages all the way in there. The last step would be the pump. And if you don't get that all the way into the pump and you put the transmission in there, one, it's gonna be hard to turn the converter to the flex plate, but two, you'll break the pump and you'll be pulling the transmission back out. So what I do, get it up in there, and you gotta do it kind of quick because like I said, it is full of fluid. Turn and apply pressure. There's another one, and there's the other one. So that's all the way in there. And if you just wanna double check, get a straight edge, and you can kind of pull it back, figure out where you are, and that's adjusted up pretty well. And then you can transfer that same measurement over to the edge of the block to your flex plate just to make sure you're in there far enough. And that will tell you everything you need to know.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.